first day hike.
This is insane.
You said what? Get a closer look.
Would you go in there?
No, it's too freaky.
Stairs leading down. Everything's been closed off.
Right, let's see the next one. Very cool.
So this is bunker 131. So bunker 131 was the first of the 4 intact bunkers and forms part of the WW2. So the bunker specifically housed around 15 men during World War II, which I think is quite a lot considering that you can't really see the depth of this bunker, but obviously it goes very, very deep. It also had a space where an MG34 was set up, a machine gun, so not quite sure where that was, but as you can see, the bunker is perfectly intact and quite beautiful for what it is. So yeah. So this is bunker 132. They were built around 1938 and forms part of the other bunkers that we've seen on this walk. They were all part again of the Limes construction program. This one specifically housed about 15 men with additional space where a machine gun, an MG34, was set up. And they also mentioned that this is the most beautiful bunkers, or one of the most beautiful of the bunkers, because of the fact that it is nicely intact. And you can see it obviously has survived the test of time. For anyone who really had the guts, you could get in here. Okay, sit. Sit. No, sit, boy. Here, sit. Sit. There we go. Oh. Thank you. He's still learning.
Go back off, is it? She's tired.
I'm tired.
She's stopping the water. Right, thank you.
Thank goodness we still have a ride home.
But do we still have our keys?
That's another question. Charlie, your ride's arrived.